सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते. Ashtadasha Shakti Peetalu are the 18 sacred temples of Goddess Shakti in India and nearby regions. According to Hindu belief, these places became more and more powerful after the parts of Goddess Sati's body fell there. Each Shakti Peetam represents the divine feminine power and is associated with different forms of the goddesses. Devotees believe that worshipping these Peetalu brings strength, protection, bravery, and etc. The song of Ashtadash Shakti Peetalu. Lankayam Shankari Devi, Kamakshi Kanchikapuram, Pradyumne Shrunkala Devi, Chamundi Kraunchapattanam, Alampure Jogunamba, Srishaile Brahmarambika, Kolapure Mahalakshmi, Mahuriye Ekavirika, Ujjainya Mahakali, Pitikayam Puruhutika, Odhyayam Girja Devi, Manikye Dakshavatike, Harikshetre Kamarupa, Prayage Madhaveshwari, ज्वालायां वैष्णवी देवी गया मांगल्य गौरिका वाराणस्यां विशालाक्षी काश्मीरेन्दु सरस्वती